Talk. I'm not gonna do that right now.
Guys, this is Jamor right here. Guys, they're going to eat a jalapeno pepper right now. If you guys can get this to 10,000 likes, he's gonna do it for you guys. He's right here, rubbing his hair. His back is right here, dude. He's working hard there, my boy. We're gonna go in the back right now. If you guys get by tomorrow, if you guys get this to 10,000 likes, he's gonna eat a whole jar of banana peppers, guys. So this is Jamar. He's walking right now. See him, that my homie. Or if you guys want to tell him to drink a whole can of coffee without no cooked. Jamar, say hi to the guys. See? That's my friend Castillo. See guys? Or he is gonna eat a whole jar of he's gonna eat a whole bag of red onions. If you guys didn't, just get this 10,000 likes and subscribe. And he's gonna do it right here, guys. This is Jamar. Or you guys can let me eat it, I don't mind. This is Jamar, guys. Get this 10,000 likes right now so he can eat a whole jar of banana pepper or habanero pepper. This is Jamar. He's doing these boxes. We're gonna close at 1 o'clock, guys. 2 o'clock, my bad. If you guys can get this to 10,000 likes, he's gonna do it. See these jars, guys, over here? He's gonna eat one of these. Right there. He's gonna eat them, or he eats... Yeah, right here, guys, see? He's gonna eat a whole jar of these. If you guys can get this to 10,000 likes. We are the Dober brothers. See? We're gonna do it right now. Alright, guys?